Hi there. Welcome back to the Straightforward Digital Strategy channel, where we give you bite-sized pieces of context into the AI landscape. In our first video, we're diving into AI fluency, what it is and how you can incorporate it into your own practices. Under Anthropic's YouTube page, they've created a mini-series on AI fluency. This was a novel concept to me prior to watching this series, but I thought it was very important and a good way to give yourself a foundation to approach any AI technology. So they have four aspects of this framework that they want you to think about AI through. It almost gives you a lens to think about these different topics through. So the four aspects are effectiveness, efficiency, ethics, and safety. So these are subjective topics and aren't going to tell you exactly how to interact with AI. They're going to more so give you a perspective on how to think about AI. But then they do dive into four pillars, the four Ds, that help you interact with AI more effectively and to get you better results. These four Ds are delegation, description, discernment, and diligence. So my plan is to make a video on each of these topics as part of this series on AI fluency as we dive a little bit deeper on each topic. Join me for the next video as we get into the first topic, which is effectiveness. Until then.